Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a spa jacuzzi, and the controls are made by Joyonway, and on the display you're getting an F8 error, and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. And on certain of the bigger displays it explains it, on some of the smaller displays it just gives you the F8 error. So the F8 error is, luckily it's not an error with any of the actual mechanisms, it's actually a memory error. And you may also notice that you're having issues with any of the settings that you have on it. And really the only thing you can do to try to get rid of this error is to do a hard reset of this device. So what you want to do is just turn it off and disconnect it from power completely. And then once you do that, you're going to leave it disconnected from power for a full 30 seconds and then restore the power and then turn it back on, and that should clear out this error. Now you may have to reset some configurations and settings, but it should clear out this error. If the error persists, you may need to replace the control board on the controls.